Jai Jagannath, happy Radha Yatra to all of you. Today we discuss that one swimmer, river related or boat related numericals, how to solve here. This is the basic, already know about this one. What is this one? VB or VBG मतलब क्या है? Velocity of the boat with respect to ground. VR or VRG मतलब velocity of the river with respect to ground. VBR means velocity of boat with respect to the river. So velocity of boat with respect to river means velocity of boat direct minus velocity of river. So velocity of boat equal to VBR plus VR. According to vectors, what happens? This term direction should lies between these two terms. So always velocity of the boat direction lies between velocity of the boat with respect to river and velocity of the river. ठीक है, यहाँ तक पॉज करके लिख लीजिए. हो गया ना? ठीक है. Now discuss about what is that? Our target is swimmer river related numericals. ठीक है. What are the condition here? Swimmer river or main, this is boat river. Okay, numericals how to solve, कैसे solve करना. ठीक है. Here the concept is very simple actually. Here for suppose this is the river is there. Okay, this is the river. For suppose this is the, what is this one? This is the width of the river, W. I am taken what happens here, width of the river. Here one person is there. For suppose here one boat is there. Okay, and here this is the direction of what happens sir. In this direction river is flowing, means this is called, this is velocity of the river, means river direction is like this. For suppose here one boat is there. If the boat is straightly going on, then what happens here, this water will be pushes this boat this side or not. So the boat will be reaches some point or not. That's why the boat will be goes with what, first of the boat here A is there, it should go to this point. From this side to this side it can go. Then what happens here? If it will go straightly means what happens? The river also flowing in this direction or not? So what happens? The river will be moves the boat to this direction. So the boat will reach to some other point actually here. That's why here actually what happens means here हमारा question में that is gives. For suppose like this goes, this is the boat. This is the velocity of boat with respect to river or velocity of boat in still water. ठीक है, like this. First of this is the vertical I am taking. First of this is making some theta angle to the vertical and the boat is moving like this. Now here like this moving on, the boat is going like this, but actually due to the river flow the boat will become this side. For suppose it reaches that, for suppose the boat is reaches this point. For so B is the exact opposite point, but the boat is moving like this due to the flow of river, the boat will be reaches this point is taken. Now here one by one discuss here. First here this is the velocity of the boat with respect to river, this is the vertical, it is divided into two components. ठीक है, this is what happens sir, VBR cos theta. Okay, in x direction what is the velocity means here, VBR sin theta. ठीक है. First I am considering that this is the x axis direction, this is the y axis direction. First I am discussing the y direction. In the y direction में क्या क्या है हम डिस्कस करें. पहले in y direction, this is the y direction. Y direction, what is the displacement, width of the river or not? Because the boat is moving from this point to that point. So what is the displacement means here? Width of the river. So Sy is equal to W. W indicates what happens here, width of river. ठीक है. Now what is the velocity in the y direction? Velocity in the y direction what happens here? Only this one. So Vy is equal to velocity of boat with respect to river with some constant. So हमको time is asking. So time is equal to what is that one here? Time equal to distance by velocity. And distance means Sy by Vy. So Sy means how much? Width by what is this one? VBR cos theta. ठीक है. This is the time here. Now in x direction what is present? X direction में क्या क्या present है? x direction में this is the x direction. In x direction, what are the displacement? This is the displacement or not? This displacement is for some taken x. Here x is called as drift. Here what is that one? Here x called as drift. Drift means how much drifted. That is thing. So here I am taken here xx is equal to some x. This is called as drift. And what is the velocity in x direction? Velocity in x direction, what happens? River is moving in this direction with vr. But the boat is moving in the x direction में velocity क्या है? इसका velocity क्या है? vbr sin theta. So resultant velocity क्या है? This is the positive, this is the negative. So velocity of river minus vbr sin theta. This is the thing. ठीक है? So here also time t equal to what is that one here? Time equal to what is that one? So displacement by velocity. Displacement x by vr minus vbr vector sin theta. हमको ड्रिफ्ट चाहिए. So x is equal to what is that one here? T into velocity of river minus velocity of boat with respect to river sin theta. This is the concept. ठीक है, समझो ना. और एक बार y डायरेक्शन में क्या क्या था? y डायरेक्शन में width of the river is there. So this is the displacement. And y डायरेक्शन में velocity क्या है? Only boat का velocity है present. So vbr cos theta. So time equal to displacement by velocity. So width by velocity of boat with respect to river in y direction. Now x direction. X direction में क्या क्या था? This is the drift because the boat is traveled like this, but it drifted some x distance. So that is x is x drift. And velocity in the x direction क्या क्या था? Boat के x direction velocity is vbr sin theta. इस river का direction क्या है? Velocity क्या है? vr. So resultant velocity how much here? vr minus vbr sin theta in vector form. So time equal to this one. So x is coming. So drift ask means you have to find like this. Time ask means we have to find like this. Okay. Now here some cases are there. What is that one here? Actually main questions are applications are asking related to this one only. Here case 1. What is asking here means minimum distance or shortest distance. Minimum distance or shortest distance the boat traveled. Actually what happens here? Actually the boat is trying to reach this point, but it reached this point or not. So this is the distance it is traveled. Okay. So what is the minimum distance means? Minimum distance means the boat should started from here. It should exactly reach this B point. Or here only minimum distance in question asked, shortest distance asked, or what is the time required to reach that exactly opposite point asked. Means in this case what happens is this is the point. Its meaning will be drift will be 0. So minimum distance or shortest distance means x value how much here? 0. Substitute here. 0 is equal to t into velocity of river minus velocity of boat with plus river into sin theta. So this is 0. So velocity of river equal to velocity of boat with respect to river sin theta. So sin theta is equal to what is obtained? Velocity of river minus velocity of boat with respect to river into, okay, this is the outcome. Okay, they can ask here, what is the question here? If boat is starting from here to reach that exactly opposite point, with how much angle it can travel? Means we have to find what happens here, theta value we have to find out. This is the theta, what happens? This is the theta is the angle with respect to vertical. With respect to bank means what happens? 90 plus theta, because this is 90. Okay, this is the thing. Now, minimum time asked. Case 2 is asking here, minimum time. Minimum time asking, actually time का formula what is coming here? Time t is equal to, what is happening here? Width of river by VBR cos theta. So t will be minimum, means this cos theta will be maximum required. So cos theta will be maximum means a theta value how much? Cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. It should be maximum means what is required here? Cos 0 or none. So theta is equal to 0 or none. So t equal to what is obtained? W by V here. Okay? By using this one, we can solve the any question. It will be given here. Understand the point? Clear or not? Okay. Now pause करके write now, ठीक है ना? I will give the question. We'll solve. Given a man can swim with a speed of 3 kilometers per hour in still water. So what is this one? Velocity of first of swimmer or man. Velocity of man with respect to river is how much given here? 3 kilometer per hour. And again one more, what is given here? Width of river is given. How much given here? 500 meters means 0.5 kilometers. And velocity of the river is how much given? How much given here? 2 kilometers per hour is given. Now what is asking here in the question? Question asking here, time is asking and what is the time he takes to cross the river. ठीक है, हमको फॉर्मूला क्या है? टाइम इक्वल फॉर्मूला क्या है? Width by velocity of the boat with respect to river. Here velocity of the man with respect to river. So time is equal to what is obtained here? Width is how much? 0.5 by what is that one? Velocity of man with respect to by 3. ठीक है ना? V be a cos theta. 3 cos theta. So how much is the angle here? 120 degree. 120 degree means this angle is given as a total angle is given as 120 degree. ठीक है, with the vertical how much angle this should be? Total angle 120 means how much angle this should be? This is 30 or not, and this is 90. So first you can find out here 0.5 by 3 into what is this one, sir? Cos 30. What is the cos 30 value? Root 3 by 2. So how much this value? 1 by 3 root 3 hours of time it will be takes place or not? This is the first question. Now the second question. Second question asking what is that one? What is the drift? What is asking here? Drift. What is the drift means? What is that one, sir? Drift means first x direction में drift होता है ना? Okay, if you forget the formula, no problem. Right here, x direction में कितना है? Sx is equal to drift. Velocity in x direction means what is happening here? Velocity of the river minus velocity of the boat with respect to river into what is happening? X direction में कितना है? Sin theta. So हमको क्या चाहिए? The requirement. So time is equal to what is happening? X by VR minus VBR sin theta. X equal to what is happening? Time into velocity of river minus velocity of boat with respect to river into sin theta. Time how much coming? 1 by 3 root 3 into what is the velocity of the river given? 2 minus velocity of boat with respect to man with respect to river how much? 3 sin 30. What is the sin 30 value? Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So what is happening here? 1 by 3 root 3 into 2 minus 3 by 2 means this is how much here? 0.5 means 1.5. So 1.5 by 3 root 3 means indirect what happens, sir? 1 by 1.5 no? 1 by 2 root 3 is the answer coming here. Understand? No? This is the way we have to solve the question here. But here some mistake is there. This is 2 minus 1.5. So this value should be 0.5. 0.5 means what is obtained here? 0.5 by 3 root 3 means 1 by 6 root 3 kilometers is the drift. Understand or not? This is the question we have to solve. Means this is the overall question. Means right, what is the time asking and what is the drift asking means here. Actually here, this is the question. This is given actually here. Okay. Now asking the speed of the swimmer. Okay. In still water is 20 meter per second, and the river is 10 meter per second is going on. Everything is given or not? So here what is given? The river is 10 meter per second flowing in the east direction. So this is the east. So here velocity of river is how much given here? 10 meter per second given. First of this is the one of the bank. Here at south bank a person is present here. And what is speed is given here? 20 meter per second. His velocity is 20 meter per second is given. What is the angle it is asking? First it is a theta angle, you take it here. And question what is given here? If he is standing on the south bank and wishes to cross the river along the shortest path. Shortest path मतलब क्या है? Drift value how much here? 0. Shortest path means here it is started exact opposite point he has to reach here. So हमको क्या दिया था फिर? Velocity of boat or velocity of swimmer with respect to river is given as 20, and drift x value how much given here? 0 is given. What is the angle it will be asked here? Okay. Now here minimum distance means drift 0 means x value 0 or not. Then what is the formula here? Sin theta is equal to, what is this one? Velocity of river by velocity of boat with respect to river. Velocity of river how much given? 10. Velocity of boat or swim with respect to 20. So it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means how much here? Sin theta 1 by 2 means theta is how much here? 30 degrees. So how much angle you have to move? 30 degrees. This is the east direction. So 30 degrees to which one here? West. So answer will be D. It is obtained here. ठीक है ठीक है हमको एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा दिया था what is given speed of the boat is given as 5 km per hour so velocity of the boat is given as 5 kilometers per hour and what is given cross area of width is given as 1 kilometer and the shortest possible path in 15 minutes means हमको time is given as that 15 minutes ठीक है and the velocity of the river is asking here velocity of the river is asking how much here one point is there short along the shortest possible path. Shortest possible path means less means shortest path में गया तो so time will be what happens sir? Time will be minimum or not? That is the hint in the question. Shortest possible path means what happens? Time will be minimum. So time will be minimum means this is the point or not? So time is equal to what is the formula? Width by velocity of boat with respect to river. So width is how much? 1. Velocity of boat with respect to river we have to find out. ठीक. Time is given. Time how much given? 15 minutes. हमको kilometer per hour asking. So 15 minutes means 15 by 60 is equal to width. Width is how much given? 1 kilometer by velocity of boat with respect to river. So this is 1 by 4. So velocity of boat with respect to river how much obtained? 4 kilometers per hour asking. But हमको क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछ रहा है? वेलोसिटी ऑफ द रिवर इज आस्किंग ठीक है सो हमको वेलोसिटी ऑफ बोट पता है वेलोसिटी ऑफ बोट विथ रेस्पेक्ट रिवर पता है वेलोसिटी ऑफ द रिवर विल बी इट इज आस्किंग एक्चुअली हियर लिसन दिस इज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द बोट विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू रिवर दिस इज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द रिवर मैंने क्या बोला वेलोसिटी ऑफ द बोट okay the direction of velocity boat will be lies between velocity of the boat and here or not. So this is the velocity of the boat obtained or not. So you can use Pythagoras law. Then what is obtained here? Velocity of boat square is equal to what is obtained here? Velocity of boat river square plus velocity of river square. Okay, magnitude. So this is how much here? 5 square is equal to 4 square plus velocity of river square. So what is after 25 minus 9? 25 minus 16. 9 equal to velocity river square. So velocity of river how much obtained here? 3 kilometer per hour. So answer will be how much here? 3 is the answer here. Understand now? Okay. For more this type of applications, we have to follow our channel. Thank you.